Hey everybody, it's Chad with American RV, and I am up at the open house at Alliance RV in Elkhart, and I just had to show you this new Avenue all-access floor plan, the 26RD. This is a half-ton towable fifth wheel that only weighs 7,600 pounds, but look at everything that it has. It's got theater seating in the back. You've got a great big U-shaped dinette, huge windows across the back. Look at the size of this kitchen. It's got the great farmhouse look, tons of countertop space. Huge pantry. Look at all the room in here. You don't have to leave anything at home. Now, if we head upstairs here, look at this bathroom. Won't feel claustrophobic in there. Plenty of room to move around. Great big shower. Moving forward, you've got a queen walk-around bedroom, flush floor, extra storage, even a wardrobe over there in the corner. So for a half-ton towable fifth wheel, 7,600 pounds, I think this is one that you need to take a look at. What do you think? Let us know down in the comments below your thoughts on this brand new Avenue.